This video is recorded in a live range by certified instructors in a controlled environment.
It's by accident.
Welcome back to FinPro Firearms. What's up, my gun hackers? And if you're not new to this, welcome to today's lesson is going to be on grip. It's going to be on how you hold your firearm as you take your shots, okay? First thing you want to do, you want to present your hand so that the webbing in your hand, you want to present it so that you can see that webbing in your hand, okay? So you want to expose the webbing, close your fingers. With your non-dominant hand, you take the gun and place it as high as possible on the back strap, as high as possible. From there, your 3 fingers at the bottom simply wrap around the front strap. Erect index finger along the side of the frame. Your trigger finger stay erect alongside of the frame unless you're actually shooting, all right? So this is what we call a one-hand hold. One hand, okay? You would have to take shots with one hand. Same applies on both sides, okay? Close your fingers, expose that webbing, place that gun right in there, wrap those around, left-handed or right-handed, works the same. Works the same. And what you're doing, you're taking the heel of your hand and you're pressing it into the back strap, as well as pulling forward with the 3 fingers on the bottom on the front strap. If you notice, for a one-hand hold, there is a little thumb rest here. You can rest your thumb there. That's fine. That's perfectly possible. It's not a problem, all right? Now, when you add that second hand on, here's where it gets a little tricky, okay? You want to take your thumb and lift your thumb up, all right? You want to lift it up as you hold it. That way it'll expose all of this portion of the gun. It exposes it so that you can see that. And then from there, almost the same thing. You close your fingers, thumb high. You may have to put a little twist forward. But from there, you just wrap those fingers, wrap your non-dominant fingers around the other and just press onto the side of the gun, okay? And this is a perfect 2-hand hold. All right? Break it down to you again. After you got your desired 1-hand hold, high on the back strap, front strap, back strap, thumb up. Okay? There, you want to take the heel of your hand and put it on the other. All right? 2-hand hold. You want to make sure that you firmly have it in your hand. All right? A rule of thumb is you want to hold your firearm with the same intensity as a firm handshake. You don't want to be too timid, too loose, and you don't want to be too tight. But a firm handshake is a good rule of thumb that you can think about on how to hold your firearm. All right? That's the lesson. Think about your master grip. When you pick up a pencil to write, you automatically go to your master grip because you've done it so long and you don't even think it becomes second nature. All right, the same way when you're picking up your firearm, okay? You initially want to think safety. Index finger along the side of the frame. Make sure I'm going directly into my master grip as quickly as possible. All right? Send me some comments. Write something down if you need some more info about this master grip. I tell you, you want to see me again, bring that ass back, all right? Holler at you later. Just got finished with the basic pistol course here at Miami Guns. Just got finished with a student, very good student, very attentive, paid a lot of attention to everything that was going on. He actually took notes. And it showed when it came to the range, when it came to us shooting, and when it came to us actually applying everything that he learned. When I say man did all right, bullseyes, first time shooter, rear sight, front sight, equal space, equal height. He had a lot of great things going for him. So I decided to just pitch to him the Black Force, which is our accuracy training, all right? So I want you to stay tuned. Make sure you take some courses. Make sure you learn how to shoot. Make sure you learn what you're doing, all right? You don't want to be a gun haver. Make sure that you're a shooter. Signing out.